What's up guys, Dummy here and this is
Mark.
And we are in
Guangzhou.
That's right, we're in Guangzhou, China for a very special car. The car that everyone is and everyone
is going to be
talking about. Literally the best, I would say, and the nicest, the most comfortable and luxurious SUV I have seen in a very long time. And I cannot wait for this to arrive to Dubai soon. But step by step, yeah?
Of course.
What's super special about this car? Tell me.
This car is based on the Spa Evo platform, and that has inherited all of Volvo's almost 100 years of safety DNA. And it's all built into here to make the Lynk Co 900 one of the safest cars that you can possibly find on the road today. Also, it's got an electrified drivetrain, so it's a hybrid with 730 horsepower, 3 electric motors, and an engine, all contributing to give this car some significant shove, despite the fact it's such a big, domineering car.
Now,
cool design features here. This light up, Lynk Co logo down the side. This is the signature light element down the side.
so many cameras.
Loads of cameras on the window. And check out this, look at this. Totally smooth all the way along the side. Great for kind of reflecting the landscape, but also great for aerodynamics too, which makes this car very efficient.
But also just look-wise, it's so sleek.
It is, yeah.
Just so elegant at the same time.
It's a very bold
It's bold,
platform,
but elegant at the same time.
Yeah. It's always nice to have a shiny logo on the side. Spa Evolution, showing us that we've got the latest definition of this platform.
Yeah, and then we have the lights all the way to the back with the diamond design Lynk Co badge.
It's really nice when these light up at night time.
Yeah. Even now, there's something projecting on the lights.
Yeah, you got the LEDs in here, so we can get little graphics in here. You can customize it to make it look a little bit like the way that you want it to look.
Yeah, and there's something that is the first time happening in an SUV at the back here. Do you want me to show you what that is?
Show me what it is.
Yes, finally I get to show him something. Yeah.
Split tailgate.
And this can hold up to 300 kilos. But if you want more space and you want to lie down, there's buttons right here, so you can also fold the third row.
That's right. And you can also lower the suspension.
Yeah.
Makes it a little bit easier to get heavy items in the back of your car if you want to.
But you were only at the driver's seat when we were driving.
That's right.
So I get to show you what is happening on the second and the third row.
Yeah, please do.
Yeah, let's go.
Look at that. All in one go.
Ta-da! All in one go.
One-click touch.
It's so cool. Like, I go to Dubai Mall so much, and I always leave with massive bags, whether it's groceries or shopping. So this is perfect.
Yeah.
It's perfect. Okay, ready? Automatic side step.
That's good.
Right.
You can get in nice and easy.
Get in nice and easy. Look, so much leg room, so much headroom, but
It's cavernous.
this is comfortable and nice, but you can make it even more luxurious, even more first class than it is now, which I thought was impossible. But with Lynk Co, nothing is impossible.
That's right.
It's like beyond. So if I don't want to sit like this, this is something 99% of car owners never thought they will see or experience.
Yeah.
There's 3 buttons right here. So if I press this button, look what happens. The front seat goes forward. The second row goes forward. And guess what happens now?
It starts to spin.
Yeah.
Check that out.
This is amazing. Tell me this is not a car of the future. Tell me this is not the most luxurious first class cabin you have seen in a very long time. Actually, my favorite thing is usually the third row passengers are the survivors.
Yeah, absolutely.
Because usually it's so uncomfortable at the back. Not here. I have so much space, but not only that, it has heated massage and cooling seats in the third row, and it has also charging port, cup holders, and you have a little space over here. Vents literally everywhere around you. Plus, how many? 31, I think.
31 Harman Kardon speakers.
It's like a full-on disco lounge.
Full-on concert, yes. It's beautiful.
Once this turns, it opens up into this beautiful, comfortable, luxurious lounge area. But that's not the only seat that turns around.
Yeah.
We can also turn this one around, right? So The front goes totally to the steering wheel, and then this seat beautifully turns around.
Look at that.
Voila,
Now we've got
living
a
room.
full living room setup.
Look how much space is here now.
You've got a table in here, you can play cards, you can drink tea, you can do whatever.
Yeah, it's amazing. Then you have the sunroof all the way to the back here. It's so cool. You know how we said this is a first class lounge or a living room on wheels?
Yeah.
Would that even be it if it didn't have a proper cinema or a TV?
Well, of course. Should we show them?
Come here.
Let's climb over
Sit
and watch a
here.
film together.
And then we have a touch screen over here.
Check that out.
Yeah. And then I can also put this, block the
Some blinds to
sunlight.
block the sun out.
Voila. How
Look at that.
huge is this screen? It's massive.
30-inch 6K screen.
And you can operate it with hand gestures, but it's also a touch screen and also voice commands.
That's awesome.
So cool, right?
Should we try it? Hey, Lynk Co, close the sunroof. Look at that.
That's so cool. That's so cool. Now I can definitely see the TV perfectly.
That's it.
That's so cool.
It's our own little cinema unit here in the back.
That is
You
so
can put
cool.
your legs up on the seat if you want to.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this is so good. You never have to pay rent. You can just live inside of this car.
That's it. And why would you not?
We can just move in here and be here happily ever after.
Let's move in the house.
But this is not the only position these seats can have, right?
Correct.
Should we turn them around? You turn that one, I turn this one.
Let's show
and then
some
I
more
can show
features.
you something else there. Yeah,
Alrighty.
let's do that. And of course, I also have a table. So even if you want to work and you have a driver, it's amazing.
Look how beautiful they are with this Napa leather as well.
Napa leather,
Super
yeah.
soft. I like the white.
Incredibly soft. So the TV screen button is right here. But then this button opens your fridge.
Opens our fridge.
So cool, right? But it's not only the fridge.
Yeah.
Because this button is for the fridge and it goes to -6 degrees.
So you can have ice creams in 50-degree Dubai summers.
Or a nice cold Coca-Cola or water
Even better.
to enjoy that sunset at the back or
Yeah.
the movies here. Now that you experience the back, should we experience the front?
Yeah, let me show you the front.
Let's go.
Let's do it. So now we get to enjoy my favorite seat in the car, which is the front one. So in here, you see we get this beautiful dashboard. Again, the same beautiful materials, microfiber roof lining, Napa leather steering wheel and seats. Got fabric on there. As you said, there's 31 speakers. And yeah, we have another 30-inch 6K screen here in the front.
And I can watch TV without bothering you, right? So
Yeah.
the movie or whatever I'm gonna do on my side of the screen. Woo!
There you go, the music started.
There are speakers in the headrest.
That's right, speakers in the first 4 seats.
Is your headrest playing?
Correct, yeah.
That's like a what do you call them? 4K, 4D cinema?
Yeah. Well, you know what's great about
What?
this is that you can watch. Oh, sorry. You can watch. Yeah, I had a different song to you in my speakers. You can watch a movie on your side. Each seat in the back can watch a movie on their own side of the screen, and they've
Wow.
got Bluetooth channels, so they can also listen to their own stuff in the headrest, in the headphones if they want to.
And I can also play games over here.
Yeah.
And have a karaoke.
Have a karaoke.
That would be actually very fun road trips.
Yeah.
Because I don't think this car is only for daily use. Yeah, it's a family car, it's a lifestyle car, but also a long road trip car because of its comfort and the luxury that it provides. Like you can definitely be on a long road trip in this.
Well, that's it. I think we have like over 1,200 kilometers of range
That's
in this
crazy.
car, and a massive electric range too of over 300 kilometers, which
Wow.
means that we can drive in smooth, blissful silence. We get double glazing on the side windows and on the front, so the ride quality and the ambience inside the cabin is lovely.
Yeah, taking the girls to like Fujairah or Hatta or Abu Dhabi for a girls trip, this would be amazing. Ambient lighting, yes.
We have ambient lighting.
I didn't see that yet.
Yeah, let's check it out. So in here, we can go into our lights and then change to our ambient light setting down at the bottom. And you see, now we have ambient lighting across the
Yeah.
dashboard here. We have it around the doors. We have it in the roof. And all of
wow.
these beautiful kind of rose gold features as well.
Oh,
Great.
and something that I'm missing a lot in
Sunglass
today's
holders.
cars.
That's right.
Thank you, Lynk Co. because I miss this so much. How many cars don't have that now?
That's it.
It's the most simplest thing, but I love it the most.
Yeah. You also get good sunrest. So look at that. You can extend your sun blind, so it's even longer, and you've still got your big mirror in there. Check out the size of the mirror.
Both of the mirrors.
It's a widescreen mirror. It's the full size.
So cool. They thought of everything. Honestly, they thought of everything. You also have wireless charging ports, 2 cup holders. What's in here?
And a bit of extra space in the middle.
Kind of
We've also got USB-C sockets down there.
Yeah, there's more storage here actually. I love it. Even the buttons, look, everything is so cool. Actually, this is the first time for me to see the car, so I'm fully obsessed.
Yeah.
Fully obsessed.
It feels incredibly luxurious. And by the way, I get a 95-inch augmented reality head-up display as well.
Really?
So I don't have to take my eyes off the road to look down here. I can see all the things I need directly ahead of me.
Wow. You tried that. I didn't drive, so it's good for me to know. I love a good heads-up display, not gonna lie.
Yeah, it's awesome. And we get, of course, our heated, ventilated and massaging seats here.
All 3 rows.
All of our lumbar support, several way adjustment for our seats. You can easily find the best driving position that you want to in this car.
I love it. I don't think there's one thing I don't like.
No, it's an amazing car.
I love it.
They thought of everything.
They thought of everything. So, but what do we have under the hood?
Under the hood, we have a 1.5 litre engine that mostly charges the battery but can drive the wheels if we need it to. And we've got 3 electric motors, 1 at the front, 2 at the back for 730 horsepower.
Nice.
It's got some serious torque and it's very quick at accelerating too. Super quiet driving experience because of that electric drive, but you've got the comfort of knowing you can do longer range if you want to as well. So you know this car has sold 50,000 units in China in just 6 months.
6 months? Actually, I'm not that surprised. I'm not surprised at all.
You can see why, right?
Yeah, I can see why. And I want to be the first one to have this in Dubai. I am literally obsessed. And you guys know when I'm obsessed, I'm fully obsessed.
That's it. The Lynk Co 900 is going abroad and it's bringing all of this amazing kit with it.
So we know why everyone is talking about it and will be talking about it because, I mean,
there's a lot to talk about.
It's so much to talk about. Actually, the car speaks for itself from the outside, from the inside, from the whole lifestyle, comfort, and luxury perspective. It just screams, I am the one. I'm the best. And I agree. Yeah. It is the best.
It's a perfect demonstration of beautiful Scandinavian, Swedish design, awesome tech, amazing comfort, all this space, so many things you won't find in any other car in the Lynk Co 900.
Exactly. So, both obsessed, obviously. Not just me, both.
We love it.
We love it. And now my question is, do you guys like it? Do you love it? Do you want it? Let us know in comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we see you next time when we take this on a nice ride around Dubai. Yeah? You're coming with me?
I'm going to come with you.
Dubai Desert, here we come!